Welcome to this new video. I am Sylvia and today I'm gonna show you how to rotate and move rooms, how to assemble them and how to add some color. So, I'm ready to go. Let's get started. Let's take this project from my magicplan cloud and I go to the floor level. And now we can start rotating our rooms. So I select the bathroom. Here we go. Once the room is blue, we can rotate it like this. The green arrow is helping us. And we can do the same perhaps with this room. So we will rotate it vertically like this. And I want to rotate the balcony too. Voila! Now we can move the rooms around. How? I just take the room and I move it like this. You will see green lines helping me. If you want to align it using the corners, you will orient yourself on the green dots. Otherwise, you can also assemble it using the walls like this and you let the room go and voila, it is assembled like this. Let's move the other rooms around. If you're in the room, you can go here on the side on Edit Layout, and once the room is blue, you can move it around like this. Then let's move our closet like this, using the corners and the bathroom. Also here, voila. And this was my filler wall of the bathroom. You can, of course, move it here. We use the corners and voila. Our project is ready and now we can add some color, right? So we can select the living room, we go in the information on the side and here we have the room type, room name, and under that you will see room color and we can select this beautiful peach. Then we just close it and voila, you will see the room like this. We can also color the filler wall. We can go here on the room color and we can make it perhaps light blue and we leave our informations and voila. And if you have the annotation category available in your subscription, you can select a room, you can go on Insert, Object, Annotations, and here we have the beautiful object called To Paint. If we want to indicate that a room needs to be painted, voila, and we're done. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@magicplan.app. Bye!